A stunt climber scaled more than halfway up the world's fifth tallest skyscraper with his bare hands and no safety ropes before being forced to come down again. British free climber George King Thompson reached the 72nd floor of the Lotte World Tower in Seoul of South Korea before he was made to get onto a window washing lift and moved inside the 123-storied high-rise building. King Thompson was dressed in just shorts and carrying a parachute at the time. He told cops he wanted to leap from the top of the tower using his parachute, a sport known as base jumping, according to media reports. The acronym for base is the four fixed structures from which one can jump: buildings, antennae, spans, and earth. King Thompson, who publicizes his stunts on social media, was arrested in 2019 after scaling the tallest skyscraper in his native country, the Shard in London. 2 years later, he scaled the 36th-floor Stratosphere Tower in the city in less than a half hour, saying the stunt was to bring attention to climate change. The Daredevil incident harkened back to 2018 when French climber Alain Robert reached the 75th floor of the Lotte World Tower before being detained. Building officials did not press charges and Robert was released. In 2013, 3 base jumpers scaled the World Trade Center before taking a death-defying plunge that went viral on social media.